Hey guys, Pedro V here. Now, I want to quickly talk about this clip that I came across, and it comes from Mexico, and it shows these birds falling from the sky, dying. It was very, very creepy and eerie, to say the least. Now, the experts there were trying to say that it was a predator that done this, and there's been a lot of ties with 5G, frequency waves, and much more. So I want to quickly show you guys this clip, and you guys be the judge and let me know what you think about this.
Y ahí cayó uno.
Now, with that all being said, have faith, remain vigilant, and God bless you all.
Y ahí cayó uno.
Vamos de una vez, ¿no? Sí, yo los podía. Me van a los de Texas también.